How to connect Apple gift card to Apple Pay. Apple Incorporated is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California. It is widely recognized for its innovative products, including consumer electronics, software, and services. To connect an Apple gift card to Apple Pay, first open up your Wallet app on your iPhone. Click on the plus icon on top. You can click on debit or credit card option. Then, this is now take you to the process to add it to your Apple Pay. Click on Continue. Now what you have to do is simply take a photo of your gift card, or you can manually enter the details. So now provide your gift card details. Click on Add. That's it. Thanks for watching.